They trying to go crazy.
I'm just trying to beat the odds. Back against the wall, lay my boots and stood up tall.
What's good, everybody? It's your boy Jay Willis, and I'm back at y'all with another video. And as y'all can see, I got somebody with me. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
King Willis. King Willis. King Willis.
What, nigga?
I said King Willis, you hear me? King Willis.
Yo, King Willis 04. I'm gonna put his Instagram right here. It's also his Snapchat. Y'all make sure to go follow the little bro in there. But as y'all can see by the title, we about to get on Monkey app, and we about to ask girls would they date us or not. You know what I'm saying? Based off basically our appearance, our features and stuff. I feel like the older girls really not gonna say yeah to you, cause like they older, you look younger. You know, they want an older looking dude with like the facial hair and stuff. So don't take it personal if they say no. Last time we was on Monkey app just toying around, a lot of people thought we was twins.
I know.
Ain't it crazy? But two dark skinned niggas with earrings and that wear a chain, you know what I'm saying? I guess we twins or whatever. But anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's go.
Let's go, guys. Accept it. Last time.
That time. Alright, based on my looks, would you date me?
I am not, based on your hair, you look like a dick.
Damn.
I'm just kidding. Oh,
Damn.
are you twins?
No, we not twins.
Damn.
That's my little brother.
You're not ugly, okay?
Little bro said based off his looks, would you date him? Just say yes or no. You ain't gotta lie to him. He hard built. He hard built.
Yes. He got a forehead though.
He got a forehead.
Forehead matter.
Forehead
Me
matter.
too, it's okay.
You don't got no forehead. Your forehead small as shit, girl. Stop lying. Small as shit. But what about me?
We should try to see like one air yeah.
Yeah, it's iffy.
You look kind of old.
How old do you think I am?
Like 19, 20.
How old are you? Like 12? What the fuck? Views.
Hello.
Hello? Hello?
Hi.
How old are you?
10.
Oh, hell. Get the fuck off the app. Get the fuck off the app, my nigga.
Shut the up.
She told your ass.
What up?
Bro, I'm dying.
Yo, at time, hold on. What's good with y'all? Hey, based off my looks, damn, what was the question?
Will you date me?
Would you date me based off of my looks? That's what the question was. Yeah.
Oh. Nigga, what?
I don't know, bro. That may have been a transgender. I ain't gonna lie. I think that might have been a tranny. I ain't gonna lie.
Hey, hello? Hello?
Man, y'all ain't shaking no eyes. Y'all ain't shaking no eyes. Why? She trying to shake some eyes. Hold on. We trying to see some eyes. Get to dancing. What you mean? Hold on. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. Ah, yeah, now what? Where is it? Where the booty shaking at?
She probably got some.
We not twins? Oh no, she trying to go crazy. I got it. She trying to go crazy.
Let me do it.
Hold on. Yo, hold on. They trying to go crazy.
Arms and push his back because I'm not trying to get roasted again.
You got 2 girls?
Yeah.
Like me, bro. Like.
Tell me that
like-
time.
Hey, at time.
Alright, I got you. What you doing?
I'm chilling. What about you?
You got a studio or something?
Ask him a question.
Alright, based on my looks, will you date me?
Huh?
Ask him again.
No.
You said no.
What about me? What about me?
Oh, yeah, I date him.
Don't be doing. Hey, you gotta follow me. She gotta slide in my DMs. Whoever did this, come talk to me.
I got you. What's your Instagram name?
My Instagram is jwillis__.
Okay, I'm finna add you right now.
Would y'all date me though? This for a YouTube video. Hey, matter of fact, can y'all post for a thumbnail?
Oh, no. No.
Why y'all can't post for no thumbnail? Just get in the camera and do like the kissy face.
No, not looking like this. No, you put me on YouTube.
Yeah. What else? Damn, that bitch ugly as fuck.
That shit ugly. Oh
That
no.
bitch look scary as fuck. No cap. Get that bitch out of. Tell you, man, nigga. Hello.
Damn, you fine.
Oh well. So you would date me?
Yeah, of course.
Would you date him?
God, you so black.
Hey, I take pride being black, y'all. Ain't nothing to be wrong with being black.
You black as fuck. Shorty say you black as fuck.
Ain't no one. Take pride in your color. Take pride
in your color, man. For real, to all my dark skinned people out there, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I used to be one of those kids back in school. You know what I'm saying? I used to be ashamed of being dark skinned and stuff, y'all. Ain't nothing wrong with being dark, bro. Like,
Take pride in your color.
I'm actually like super dark, y'all. We both dark, and take pride in take pride, bro. Don't be nobody else. God made you that way for a reason. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to live the rest of your life not being proud of who you truly are. Like, don't do that. That'll make you stress and suffer.
You're special in many ways.
For sure, bro. Hello.
Hello.
What's the word? Hey, at time right quick. I want to ask you a question. Oh, I see a little pretty smile.
You got a pretty smile too.
Thank you. Alright, but I'm gonna ask you the same question for 2 people. So, off of my looks, would you date me? Just off of my looks.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this dude?
Y'all look, I mean,
Nah, we look a little bit different. Like a little bit.
y'all do? Are y'all brothers?
Yeah, that's for sure. Yeah, that's a little bro.
Y'all look alike.
We look alike for sure. What's your type?
I mean, I like brown skins.
For sure. Brown skin.
They gotta be respectful, you feel me?
Yeah, that's a pet
Have
peeve for
swag.
sure. Have swag?
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, I feel you for sure. Where you from? Chicago?
No, Columbus.
Columbus? What state is that?
Ohio.
Oh, Ohio. Oh, okay, I'm like Columbus. I think she was cool. She was cool for sure. She was solid. No, don't do that shit. Alright.
That time. Damn.
Damn, you not fucking with little bro? At time, hold on. You tripping. Look, he just wanna... You not fucking? Why he scare you?
I don't know. Something scared.
Would you date him based off his looks?
That's a no. Already know.
No, that's mean.
Nah, like, bro, he hard built. Like, we built for this shit. We don't give a fuck.
Right, I'm glad we don't.
Yeah.
Come on, you were just scared of the nigga. Now you gonna date the nigga? My nigga ain't slow.
Right, we not slow.
He came home, he was like, at time. Like, yes.
But so, you got a nice smile. Where you from?
Yeah, y'all got some good hair.
Nah, you got some nice teeth. I fuck with it. Where you from?
I'm from BOH.
What the fuck is that?
Jesus, that scared her.
Did I tell them my channel?
Oh, that time.
I don't think I did.
Alright, based on my looks, would you date me?
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe, alright.
Really? What about me? Yes or no?
Yeah, I'll date you.
How old you?
Y'all are twins, but it's like,
We not twins.
you sure?
Everybody said that. Look, do you need to see both at the same time?
Yeah, one's lighter than the other.
How old do you think he is?
18.
How old you think I am?
18.
Tell how old you is.
19, probably.
I'm 14.
Yeah, no, you lying.
He 14. He 14. All my
What
life.
school he go to in Minnesota then?
He go to Humble. You in Minnesota?
No, I'm in Grand Forks, North Dakota.
Oh, I was finna come fuck with you. Hold on. Oh, you in North? You right by me though.
I'm 5 minutes away from Minnesota.
Like the little border part. I'm finna follow you then.
Yeah.
Hey, follow me on Monkey. Look, you got your Instagram and your bio.
I think so.
If you don't got it, then go follow mine and DM me.
Alright.
Alright, for sure.
You wanna see the moon?
At time.
Hey, at time.
Okay. Y'all wanna visit the moon? Alright. There.
Alright, based on my looks,
Wanna visit the moon?
based on my looks,
Look
would
at
you
them,
date me?
nigga. Look at them. Get off your phone.
Based on my looks, would you date me? Shut up, boy. Fuck.
Look at that, boy.
Yeah, big forehead. No, I wouldn't date somebody with a big forehead.
Yo, you gotta.
Damn.
Are you guys twins?
No.
Stupid! Hey, let's hear for a second.
Y'all gotta.
You guys look like twins.
Y'all gotta be nice. Y'all gotta be nice.
Wait, what's your YouTube? Wait, I'll turn.
Yeah.
Is this for YouTube?
Yeah.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel so I can subscribe?
How many people is by y'all? How many is it of y'all?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay. Now mine's too much. The channel is Jay Willis. Jay Willis. J space Willis.
Jay, wait. Follow her. Follow me. Follow us
Alright.
back.
Alright. We're gonna go on to the next
You
one.
can send it to her. Yeah, Jay.
Yeah, I'll send it to you. Alright.
Okay, thank you.
Bye, little man.
It wasn't.
Nah. Oh, that was a good ass screenshot. Hello?
Hello.
What up? Oh look, that's what I was gonna ask you. Based off my looks, would you date me, yes or no?
Yeah.
Really?
We could just be like, look what happened when we was on there.
Hello? Oh, we could
What's
fake
poppin'?
the hell. Oh, yo, add time right quick. Let me ask you one question. Or two questions. Based off my looks, would you date me, yes or no? Both of y'all.
Yes.
What about you? You don't gotta lie to me.
Sorry.
Like, she said no?
No, I'm good. She said yes.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
cool.
she- my
What
friend said
about him?
Yes.
Yes. So she said no to me and yes to him.
Yeah.
Okay. What? That's cool. Where y'all from? Huh?
Kelly.
Cat. No, we're not twins. No, that's just my brother. Funny as hell.
Oh,
Hello?
God.
Hello?
What's the word? Hey, at time, I gotta ask you something. That bitch said, shut the fuck up. Alright, but look, I'm gonna point the camera at me and one other person. Just say whether you would date them or not, alright?
I started with you.
I started with me. Would you date me? Like, off of my face, appearance? What's the word? What's the word? Hey, look, at time, I gotta ask you one question.
Alright.
For the same person. Based off my looks, would you date me, yes or no? I'm not gonna take it personal. Just be honest.
Probably.
Alright.
Honestly, yes, but
What about this guy?
I'm a white man for him. I have to see his face. maybe.
Wait, what did you say though? You said you're a white man's what? What was that?
A white man for.
Oh, I feel it. No, I feel it 100%. I don't take nothing personal with that. Where you guys from?
What?
Where you guys from?
New Jersey. New Jersey.
New Jersey? What? Why you guys don't talk like them?
Guys, we're Hispanic. Yeah, we're Hispanic.
You guys are Hispanic?
Yes.
What makes you a white? So what makes you a white man's? What did she say? Whore.
Horrible.
I don't know. Wait, we look white? What
Yeah,
do we look like?
white.
We do?
Yeah. No.
Wow.
You in the back with the glasses, you actually look Hispanic, but you actually look white, like hella white. Hella white. What up?
What's up? What are you doing?
What up? What you doing? Nothing. Look, I time right fast. I gotta ask you something.
Okay.
Alright, so started with me, based off my face, my appearance. Would you date me?
Yes.
You would? What about him?
Yes.
You would? What is your type? You must like dark skins.
I don't have a type.
Oh, you don't got a type? That's crazy.
Either you cute or you're not. Like either you're cute.
Yeah, I feel you, but like.
My type is the cute type.
Word. Just give it to the side. That shit gonna be funny as hell. Hello? Yeah. Hello?
What's up?
What's good? Hey, based off my list, would you date me, yes or no?
Based off mine.
Yes, of course.
Keep good looking.
You said keep looking.
I said you're good looking.
Oh, I'm good looking. Oh, so you would date me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No. I don't know. Do I know you?
I mean, we not really finna date, but I just want to know if I'm like cute.
Yeah, I know. I'm joking.
Cute enough to get a chance with you. Nah, I get it. Where you from? Where you from?
I'm from Virginia.
Virginia. Why you got an accent? You guys got accents out there?
No, I'm Irish, so.
I knew you were foreign. I knew you were foreign. Yo, I gotta follow you. I knew you were foreign. But thank you so much. What about my little brother?
Little brother. Look at me, little brother.
He's not good with eye contact.
Yep.
You would? Okay, thank you. That's a W.